Turning your collectibles into cash shouldn't feel like a guessing game, but for many, it does. Maybe you've inherited a collection, run a pawn shop, or just love flipping vintage finds on weekends. The truth is, most people lose thousands on simple mistakes when selling collectibles online. But the good news? These mistakes are easy to avoid once you know what to look for. Don't just list your items on eBay and hope for the best. Endless lowball offers, hidden fees, and slow sales can drain your profits and your patience. Instead, consider live auction streaming platforms that connect you with real buyers in real time. With Lotstream, you simply box up your items, and we handle the rest, from streaming to shipping, so you get paid quickly. Second, don't let your inventory sit around gathering dust. Every day your collectibles aren't selling is a missed opportunity. Lotstream's intake process is simple. Describe your items or send them in as they are. We catalog, tag, and stream them to eager buyers. Third, guessing your item's value can cost you big. Our team appraises and tags your collectibles, ensuring you get what they're truly worth. Plus, we offer a free guide to help you spot the top items to sell. Don't let hidden fees, the wrong audience, or last-minute panic sales eat into your profits. With Lotstream, you can sell smarter, faster, and stress-free. Ready to turn your collection into cash? Visit justlotstreamit.com and let's get started.